Hey everyone, welcome back. Ask ChatGPT for a workout plan and you'll get a generic gym routine that assumes you've got a full gym, unlimited time, and no injuries. Give it 5 specific things instead and you get a plan you'll actually follow. I'll show you the exact prompt for the training, the follow-up for the food, and the one thing you should never skip at the end. Let's get into it. Swipe up to open your apps, tap the search bar, type in ChatGPT, and open it. Here's the prompt, and it's 5 parts. Your goal, your situation, your equipment, how many days a week, and anything it needs to work around. So I'm typing, make me a 4-week workout plan to lose fat and keep muscle. I am 30, I work a desk job, I have dumbbells and a pull-up bar at home, I can train 4 days a week, and I have a bad lower back. That last bit is the difference between a plan and a plan you can do. Tap send. And look what comes back. It's not a wall of text, it's an actual schedule. 4 training days laid out with what you're doing each day, the sets and reps next to each exercise, and rest days built in. And because I told it about my back, it's picked movements around that instead of loading my spine on day 1. Now the food half. And you ask for this in the same chat, so it already knows your training. One thing though, it needs your actual numbers, or it will just stop and ask for them. So I'm typing, now the diet to go with it. I am male, 180 centimeters, 85 kilos, about 6,000 steps a day. Give me a daily calorie and protein target, and cheap everyday foods, no supplements. Send that. And there it all is, your daily targets, your meals, and what to prioritize when you get hungry. One more prompt, and this is the one that makes it stick. I'm typing, turn week 1 into a simple checklist I can tick off each day. And now instead of a wall of advice, you've got 7 lines to tick. Now, the important bit, and I'm not going to skip it. This is a starting point, not medical advice. If you've got an injury, a health condition, or you're on medication, run the plan past an actual doctor or a qualified trainer first. ChatGPT does not know your body. So let's recap. Open ChatGPT and give it 5 things: your goal, your situation, your equipment, your days per week, and any injuries or limits. You get a real schedule instead of a generic routine. Then in the same chat, ask for the diet to match, with a calorie and protein target and cheap everyday foods. Then ask it to turn week 1 into a checklist so you actually do it, and get it checked by a professional before you start if you've got any health concerns, because a plan that ignores your body isn't a good plan. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.